In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video carousel slider section in Shopify. By the end, you'll have a new dedicated section file set up in your theme, ready for your video carousel code and settings. This is perfect if you want to showcase multiple videos in a slider right on your storefront and keep things modular and easy to manage. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your admin. Make sure you're on the store you want to update. It's always a good idea to work carefully here because changes in the code editor affect your theme. If you've never edited theme code before, take a moment to confirm you're comfortable and consider noting which theme is currently live. From the Shopify admin, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This brings you to the Themes area where you can see your current theme and any unpublished themes you might be working on. Locate the theme you want to edit. On that theme's card, click the three dots. Depending on your interface, this might also show as an Actions menu, but it's the same idea. It opens advanced options for your theme. In that menu, click Edit Code. This launches the Theme Code Editor, where your theme files are organized by folders like Layout, Templates, and Sections. We'll be creating a brand new section file for the video carousel, so look to the left sidebar and click Sections to open that folder. Now, click Add Section. Shopify will prompt you to name the new section. Enter a clear, descriptive name like Video Slider. If you prefer to follow coding conventions, you can use lowercase with hyphens, such as Video Slider, but the important part is that it's readable and obvious to you later. When you're happy with the name, click Done. Shopify creates a new .liquid section file and opens it right away in the editor. At this point, you've successfully added a new section to your theme. You'll see a starter template in the file. This is where you can add your liquid, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the actual video carousel slider and define settings you can later control in the theme customizer. If your theme uses Schema for settings, this section is the place to add inputs like video URLs, autoplay toggles, and slide speed. That's it for creating the section itself. You now have a clean, properly named section file ready for your video carousel slider. Save your work and you're set for the next step of styling and functionality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.